We have tens of millions of websites that use Quantcast on a day-to-day basis. And as a result of that, this diverse and rich customer base.
Primarily, we use Quantcast to better understand our audience and the internet's audience as a whole.
Quantcast really boosted our ability to respond to RFPs in a more thoughtful and smart way.
We're really trying to tell the story for our external clients, our advertisers, why they should spend advertising dollars on our sites.
When I took over this organization, we wanted to inject real velocity into the way that we develop products. And so we thought, you know what? Let's bring customers here, let's have a hackathon, and let's see what happens.
This year is going to be hard to top last year. Last year's hackathon, we ended up producing 2 solid products.
And what came out of that was this product called Audience Builder.
Audience Builder has gotten us very, very accurate insights about our audience that we weren't able to get from other data sources.
What we're trying to do is get our customers involved in innovation. The last thing we want to do is build stuff that nobody wants.
What do I need? What's going to make my life easier? What is a pain point?
The cool thing coming out of here was to really talk about some of the pain points that just occur day to day, just working in sales, advertising, in media.
This is an opportunity for everyone to share your problems, the pain that you suffer, and see if we can solve that in a really short period of time.
Product's already there on our end, but we just need to learn how to better market them, better sell them, and really understand our audience and also our products.
It was interesting to see that other brands and other companies and publishers are facing that problem.
To have that diversity of pain, I think is really good for innovation, solving things fast, and hopefully coming up with solutions that don't just suit one customer type, but suit a broad range of customers. And over 24 hours, people are so motivated by that pain that they've built some really cool stuff to solve that pain.
We spent 3 hours with them in the same room, talking about their problems, thinking about what are the challenges that they face today, how can we best meet their needs.
They take copious amounts of notes and throw them up on a whiteboard and see them actually think of what product they can develop to solve those problems.
It's been very in-depth. The sessions themselves have been very well planned out and very well thought out.
Collecting data is not the challenge. The problem is organizing it and then being able to organize it in a way to tell a really great story.
I've never done that before with another partner, is actually talk to their engineering team who is sitting with the data that they're working with and actually developing the product.
Whilst the technology is being built, they go and spend a fantastic afternoon in Napa and Sonoma.
The weekend that we put together by taking them to a fantastic place like this in Sonoma is a lot of fun because we've got very creative and clever people that are willing to share their ideas and be a part of something that is hopefully very industry changing.
We want to empower our clients to be part of our product roadmap, but also let them have a great time and a great experience.
That's why we spend all this time talking to our customers, working on it all night, then the next day we judge. We have great designers, we have engineers front-end, engineers that can mock things up super fast. Even if it's just PowerPoint, whatever it is, we can get ideas in front of customers and really validate the value before we spend an enormous amount of time actually building it.
Being able to speak with engineers, to share their ideas, that some of them felt were maybe a bit grandiose to start, but the engineers really helped them narrow it down into the deliverable objectives or products.
When you have a company that's willing to design its future and products around the user itself, that means a lot.
We want the confidence from our advertising agencies to know that we are working with top vendors in the field to figure out these solutions.
And the winner is Mark Mazenbacher and team for Personas.
I think it was wild that the Eng teams could put that together so quickly.
We build products this way because we want to hear directly from customers.
At the end, if we get it right, we're directly solving the problems, and it's a win-win on both sides.
And I think that just personifies the approach that we take at Quantcast.